This is how my backstay did. So I decided to cook this nice roast for dinner tonight. We're going to sear it in my cast iron. Flip it on both sides and get that nice color right there. Cook it with some butter and get the nice juice. Then we're going to cut up some vegetables up, some onions. Throw in there some carrots. They look so good. Cut up some potatoes, any kind that you like. Spread them up in there. You can also make some potatoes on the side if you want. Look how juicy that look already. You want to lay that right on top. Now we're going to get to the good part and add our broth. I use my beef bouillons, mix them together, and I pour them in there. Also start adding some more seasonings on my vegetables. I like my ranch seasoning. I don't know about y'all. Added a broth that was left from the cookings up in there. Get that nice flavor and color. I also added some butter in there. I didn't get that, but I added butter. Now we're going to make some cornbread. I like to use 2 eggs and add sugar. And I'm only going to use 1 pack. I'm going to mix it up real nice and good. And then mix it together with the batter. And it should look a little bit like this. Pour that thing in a pan. I like to add some honey on top of mine. I don't know about y'all, but it gives it a little extra sweetness. And look how good it looks. And whoop-de-bam boom, we got our dinner. It was so good and delicious. I can't wait to make this again. Make sure y'all follow me.